How do I disable a Pylint warning? I'm trying to disable warning CO321. More than one statement on a single line. I often put if statements with short single line results on the same line, in Pylint 0.21.1, if it matters, as in 0.20.1, common 0.50.3, in Python 2.6.6, or 266:84292, SEP 15-2010, 16:22 and 56 seconds. I've tried adding disable equals CO321 in the Pylint configuration file, but Pylint insists on reporting it anyway. Variations on that line, like disable equals 0321 or disable equals C321, are flagged as errors, so Pylint does recognize the option properly. It's just ignoring it. Is this a Pylint bug, or am I doing something wrong? Is there a way around this? I'd really like to get rid of some of this noise.
Pylint generate RCF file shows it like this. So it looks like your .pylinter should have the disable equals line /s in it inside a section, messages control.
Starting from Pylint v. 0.25.3, you can use the symbolic names for disabling warnings instead of having to remember all those code numbers. For example, this style is more instructive than cryptic error codes, and also more practical since newer versions of Pylint only output the symbolic name, not the error code. The correspondence between symbolic names and codes can be found here. A disable comment can be inserted on its own line, applying the disable to everything that comes after in the same block. Alternatively, it can be inserted at the end of the line for which it is meant to apply. If Pylint outputs locally disabling messages, you can get rid of them by including the disable locally disabled first as in the example above.
Save the file, and in Eclipse window preferences pydef Pylint, in the arguments box, type. Now it should work. You can also add a comment at the top of your code that will be interpreted by Pylint. Pylint message codes. Adding for example disable ids equals CO321 in the arguments box does not work. All available Pylint messages are stored in the dictionary_messages, an attribute of an instance of the Pylint.utils.messageChandler class. When running Pylint with the argument disable ids equals ... at least without a configuration file, this dictionary is initially empty, raising a key error exception within Pylint. Pylint.utils.messagechandler_message_i.d. In Eclipse, you can see this error message in the Pylint console. Windows show View Console. Select Pylint console from the console options besides the console icon.
To disable a warning locally in a block, add to that block.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.